and today we are going to be learning about cool animal sounds, just like Olivia and Sister Dinosaur did. Now, I will need a helper. Who wants to help? I'll help. Okay then. What are you guys doing? We're going to do animal sounds like you and Sister Dinosaur did. Okay then. So my two friends want to make animal sounds like me and Sister Dinosaur did. Hello. Okay, so what about you, Fawny? Well, a fawn goes, You sound so cute. What about you, Lily? The hedgehog goes, I did not know that. Alright, anybody else want to make sounds? Me! A narwhal goes under the water. Cool. And a dog goes, Very nice, Ruby. A cat goes, A snake goes, Yes, they go squeak, squeak, squeak. So, guys, do you want me to make an animal sound? Okay, but if I make an animal sound, you have to guess what it is. Okay, so, what do you think this is? You have any idea? What do you think it is? Is it a lion? No. A tiger? No. A bear? Oh my. No. So, what is it? It's something that talks. It's the only animal that can talk. If you guessed a parrot, you're right. What about you, Mommy? What animal sound can you make? My mom went bok. So, what animal goes bok? Is it a rooster? Well, a rooster is a male chicken. Hey, guess what? I told you the answer. It's chicken. Bok, bok, bok. So, I will see you all in my next video.